Hi, this is Wolfgang. In this video I will demonstrate how to make an implant bar. Assumed knowledge here is the placing of the scan bodies onto the intraoral scan and then to position the abutment onto the implant replicas. So here in the scene we can see we have the scan bodies, and in my collection I will hide those, and just beneath those I have selected a tie base abutment. So I want to keep the abutments shorter. My plan is to connect the mesh geometry which fits over the tie base abutment precisely into the underside of the bar. So this is very important, and then you can cement the actual tie base into the bar. There are other ways of doing this where the connection of the implant can be milled directly with the bar, but in this situation I'm going to have a cementable abutment. So we're going to use the wax up module and to bring in a tooth library. So I'm going to use the import generic hollow, and this is because I want to extrude a bit of gum into the area below the actual teeth. So here goes. We're going to be using all the upper teeth, so just choose teeth and then draw a line across. And then we want to just delete the unwanted teeth here. I'm just going to expand that out slightly, followed by place. So here we're just going to position the teeth more or less accordingly. If you want to do this accurately, you'd probably use the articulator module. This is just to demonstrate a bar, this video, so I'm just going to place this hypothetically into the gap. Okay, I'm going to delete the last molar. We won't need that one, so X and delete. Likewise with this one, X and delete. Then it's deselected the whole row of teeth. Select that again, and then we're going to just complete our positioning process. R, rotate slightly. Something like that. Okay. And perhaps a little forward. Okay. So the next procedure involves the drawing out the gum. So in the wax up module we want to locate the gum section. Yep. Because we have selected an open mesh library, we can do this immediately. So I'm going to first select those two, and perhaps we can join those. So right click and join those, and then we're going to just use the create gum. So if the gum is okay like this, we can just leave it, and then we'll move on to the next teeth. Perhaps we'll do those two together as well. Actually, you can use the join teeth button there and then create gum. And if you find it's a little too puffy, we can just scale that down by a notch. And finally, I'm going to select these teeth here, and same thing, just join those up and create the gum. And again, we'll just downscale it slightly. Continue to the other side. Join, create. And finally, that side over here. Here we go. Okay, so I'll conclude this short video and then we'll go on to the next one, which involves finalizing this section with a bit of sculpting perhaps, and then we'll start the bar.